It's Naya's Diary, and today we finna do a unboxing with me plus install my shelves with me. So let's get into it.
Oh, you fancy, huh?
So I got the Amazon box right here. It's not a big box. It just looks like, it's just a box. So let me cut it real quick. Alright. I cut the sides off first. I don't really cut that long part because that's like a big old thing. Alright, and put that right there. Alright, so I got it cut. Now, because I did buy me some portraits or whatever for my room. Why are they so tiny? It's something like this. I have to open it. It's so tiny. Like I thought it was gonna be big, but we're gonna see. And here are the shells right here. Wow. Are these shells supposed to be like that? Open up the shells. There's supposed to be 3 in there. Alright. Okay, so we have to like install them. Alright. So this is what it looks like. These are like, I don't know why these are red, but I ordered them and it was the cheapest one I could find. And I got these right here. These are like high heels a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, so let's open this real quick. We opening up the shells first because I'm not doing it, you know? Okay, these are the shells. Okay, it's not that bad. And these would definitely fit where I'm going to put them at. My cousin is coming though. He's going to install them for me. So he's going to be there. And he's going to be here in like a few minutes. That's right here. Yep. Okay, period. So I'm going to leave it like this where he could come set it up. Let's see how this one is. I'm going to tell him to give me some. What is this? Oh, right here. Alright, let's see. Because I don't know. Okay, yeah. This is how I ordered them. Oh, they got the little sticky things right here. It's something like this, y'all. It's like I have to probably put some. It's like this. Like it's just like black and white. Cause I've been needing more shells anyway. Like look at this. It looks like big racks right now. Hold up. Oh my god. Seems like an Amazon box. And I'm glad I have these right here. Like these little sticky things. Because I was not finna buy any tape. I'm sorry. I was not. Like, he's gonna have to bring me some. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when my cousin do come over. Because that's when like the real action starts. AJ right there. Let me take this off the phone real quick. So I am gonna give y'all a heads up that most likely it was loud, so I had to put music over it, and I didn't want to hurt y'all ears, so I just put music over it, and that's how it went from there. You probably are going to hear us because me and my cousin was arguing about putting up the pictures, but that's like later on, so you'll hear that probably later on.
That's where the wood. Let me see what the
You reinstalling this?
That's good.
Yeah, that's gonna stay there for a minute.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. Yeah. When you come around, I get shy. When I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. When I see you, when I see you, I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. In the zone, when you're nervous when you're gone, I say I'm not home. I see your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, something now is taking over me. Yeah.
are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
You do it for me.
You want me to do it for you?
What am I using to stick these up? Like using to stick up the things so it won't fall off. And I don't like using duct tape because that's what made my paint look like that now.
This fake stick. Hold on, this is sticky. Let's just try to figure out what we're gonna do up there. You can still fix this. You can go one over here, two. Bitch, stand your ass up. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
On the track.
So guys, this is what the finished results look like. I feel like it looked really good for this to be in my room, but that's all of the video, so I guess I'll see y'all later. Bye.